Here some institutions related to ICR. Deemed to be universities. Some deemed universities. There are 5. First, IRI, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, Pusa, New Delhi. IVRI, Indian Veterinary Research Institute, Ijjatnagar, UP. NDRI, National Dairy Research Institute, Karnal, Haryana. CIFE, Central Institute of Fisheries Education, Mumbai, Maharashtra. AAI, Allahabad Agriculture Institute, Allahabad, UP. Next, Agriculture Research Institute, CARI, Central Agriculture Research Institute, Port Blair, Andaman and Nicobar. CAZRI, Central Arid Zone Research Institute, Jodhpur, Rajasthan. CIH, Central Institute of Horticulture, Bikaner, Raj. Central CAIAE, Central Institute of Agriculture Engineering, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. CICR, Central Institute for Cotton Research, Nagpur, Maharashtra. CIPHET, Central Institute of Post Harvest Engineering and Technology, Ludhiana, Punjab. CRIDA, Central Research Institute for Dry Land Agriculture, Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, 1985. CRIJAF, Central Research Institute for Jute and Allied Fiber, Barakpur, West Bengal. CRRI, Central Rice Research Institute, Kathak, Orissa, now renamed as National Rice Research Institute in Kathak, Orissa. CSSRI, Central Soil Salinity Research Institute, Karnal, Haryana. CSWCRTI, Central Soil and Water Conservation Research and Training Institute, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. CTRI, Central Tobacco Research Institute, Rajamundra, Andhra Pradesh. IASRI, Indian Agriculture Statistics Research Institute, Pusa, New Delhi. IGFRI, Indian Grassland and Fodder Research Institute, Jhansi. IGSI, Indian Grain Storage Institute, Hapur, UP, 1958. IPR, Indian Institute of Pulse Research, Kanpur, UP. Next, IISS, Indian Institute of Soil Science, Bhopal, MP. Next, IISR, Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research, Lucknow, UP. ILRI, Indian Lac Research Institute, Ranchi, Jharkhand. IIVR, Indian Institute of Vegetable Research, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. NIRJFT, National Institute of Research on Jute and Allied Fiber Technology, Kolkata, West Bengal. Next, SBI, Sugarcane Breeding Institute, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. BPCAS, Vivekanand